What's up, guys? My name's Dax. I ride a 2000 Sportster 1250. It's a piece of shit, but it's pretty fun. Today we're going to be giving you guys a little how to do a wheelie on a Harley. This may be a little more Sportster orientated as I do ride a Sportster, but most of the technique and the process of it is all the same to Dyna to Sportster. But start this off, I want to say a few things. Before you just go like diving into wheelies, make sure you're comfortable with your bike, you're comfortable with your setup. That's a big critical thing to me. Make sure your foot brake is really good. You're locked in on with your foot brake, and just make sure that it's got good pressure. It's not gonna fucking fade on you when you're doing a wheelie. Make sure your throttle doesn't stick. That's a big critical thing to me. Can't have a sticky throttle because then it can get stuck and you can chase the wheelie all the way back and end up dying. Make sure your clutch is good. You don't need an aftermarket lever. You can do it with the stock lever. I've seen plenty of people do it. I've done it myself. But yeah, you don't need a seat. You don't need all the crazy stuff. It's nice to have, but it does help, but you don't need it. You can wheelie a stock Sportster. I've seen it done before. So we're going to jump right into this today. So big things I like to do when I'm doing a wheelie is when you pull your clutch in, most people think you need to have the clutch all the way in. Not necessarily. You kind of want to find that point where your clutch is right about to engage. And mine is typically about here. I like my clutch a little more stiff. So you want to get it to that point, and you don't need to use both fingers. You can use both fingers, whatever you're more comfortable with. And you just kind of let that motherfucker slip. You don't really like dump it. You more kind of let it slip out and kind of be consistent on your throttle. Everybody thinks you need this much gas or fucking a shit ton of gas to do a wheelie. You really don't. You're using this much of the throttle the whole time, you know? And maybe you'll use a little bit more to keep yourself to get up, but it's not that crazy. So, and always when you're doing a wheelie, wear a helmet and cover your foot brakes. That is critical. If you're not covering your foot brake, you will end up looping and you will end up hurting yourself, totaling your bike, and you will be a sad fella or a sad lady, and nobody wants that. So, but I'm gonna hop on my bike, throw my helmet on, and we'll get right into it. All right, guys, so I think it's pretty obvious when you're trying to wheelie your Harley. You wanna start out in first gear. You don't need to be going super fast. As you can see, I'm going about 10 miles an hour, maybe 5, you know, roughly right around there. Before I like to wheelie, I always like to hit my foot brake. Make sure it's my back tire is gonna lock up, my brakes are good. You know, hit the throttle, give it a couple of those guys, make sure my throttle's good. And then I get into it, I pull my clutch in, give it a little pull, and then figure out my sweet spot and throw my ass into it and dump the clutch at the same time. And then you kind of go up and you want to catch that sweet spot for balance point. I know it can be intimidating. You know, it's probably a bad example of like doing a first time wheelie. So this is typically what you'd probably expect the first time you do a wheelie. Your tire might spin, you might do that, or you might do one of these and go too fast. And that's gonna happen. That's okay. Like, that's normal. All that stuff's okay. But you just wanna come in at a decent speed, get your clutch pulled in. I have mine with one finger, and see when I catch drop back right there, I'm slightly tapping my brake to keep me in that balance point right there. Nice and simple and smooth, guys. A lot of people get stressed, a lot of people get worried. You don't need to do that. Just come in and look. What I like to do to justify it is I keep this hand like this, pull my lever in, and I let my lever hit my 3 fingers to know that's my engagement point. And then I can go and pull it in and like, I don't know if you guys can see in the video, but that section I just clutched up on is real slippery. A lot of people have the hard time of getting the tire to hook. That's why you use that ass to throw it into the seat. When you throw it into the seat, it's gonna help that wheel come up. Points to remember: throw some ass into it, cover your brake, and you don't need to use a bunch of throttle. I really hope the tips and the pointers and everything you guys kind of saw in this video today will help you in the future with your wheelies. Like it may not come from this video, but maybe something you saw in this video will help you. And you know, at least a little bit more motivation to go out there and ride. If you guys have any questions, just feel free to ask us. It's, you know, comment down below if you have any questions. Make sure you guys like and subscribe.